Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of the Swift Basecamp 4 2022. So this caravan was introduced by Swift originally in 2021 as an extra in the Basecamp range, and going from the 2-berth to the 4-berth caravan with a wonderful side dinette that converts up into bunk beds. So let's have a little look around. So here's the front of the Basecamp 4, so very similar to that of the Basecamp 2, with the large window at the front. Generous sized front locker here with your spare wheel located on the left hand side, space for 2 6kg gas bottles on the right hand side. Another new addition for 2022 is the fitment of the Alco stabiliser, so this additional fitment here. So in previous years with Basecamps it was only this fitment that you saw here, and it was very much a trailer hitch as opposed to having that stabiliser handle. So coming down the side of the Basecamp 4, you've got here an exterior barbecue point. You've got the Basecamp 4 decal on the side with the decals going all the way down. Towards the rear, you've got an exterior 240 volt socket. At the back here, you've got a nice large door with large window. And at the top there, you've got your awning rail and also awning light. Around the other side of the caravan, you have got your toilet cassette located here, your electric hookup point, cold water exterior shower point, and your main water inlet for your water pipe in your aqua roll. So let's step on inside and have a look what this Basecamp 4 truly has to offer. So as I mentioned before, side dinette just as you step in here, so real nice spacious dining area. This area here utilising this bunk bed fixing here and here is what converts up into a bunk bed. So a great family caravan and 4-berth family caravan. You have your main control centre located here with some additional USB points. Your baskets that you see all the way down here which clip out, so you can take those inside the house, get them all filled up with all of your amenities, bring them back in and pop them in the caravan. Two 240 volt sockets with a nice side work surface area there positioned above the generous size fridge. You've got your lounge area here which converts into a double bed. And underneath, another feature of the Basecamp range that you see here are these bike fixing points. So you've got that on both sides. So if you wanted to fix some bikes, then these couches simply lift up and clip up using these clips here. So they're up and out the way, and you can affix bikes in should you need it. Short lift up table at the front there for a nice cup of coffee, and there is a freestanding table located in the cupboard which I'll show you in a moment. You've got a side work surface extension located here, giving you some really usable kitchen space. The heating system is the Whale blown air heating system controlled here, and also the hot water is controlled at this point as well. You've got your built-in oven there with your 3 gas hob burner on top and pan storage located underneath, but ample amount of storage located around the kitchen area. Further cupboards above, and you also have on every single window, you've got a pleated blind or a fly screen should you require it. Your television point in this particular model is located here, so it'd be a freestanding table that you would put on the side here. Underneath here, you've got USB points, and that's just a light switch there and a little cubby hole as well for popping your telephone or iPad if that's on charge. In the cupboard here, as I mentioned before, you've got your freestanding table, your step which comes with the caravan, your multi-directional aerial and your Vision Plus box, and your main control centre for the caravan. And this is your bunk bed for your bunk bed ladder for your side bunk bed, and this is an infill board for that bunk bed as well, just to create a bit of safety for the kids. Individual shower cubicle, so you've got a nice generous sized sink with a combination shower and toilet washroom that you see here, and Thetford toilet. Storage located at the back, and also a medium-sized Hecky light as well, just giving a good feeling of space and light. So a really well-spec'd Basecamp 4, a great family caravan as a starter caravan, and really iconic and stands out in the Swift range. So if you've got any queries or questions about this model, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team, who have been more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed this short walk around tour, and we look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.